Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart, we'll be looking at the trends, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you remember, we were talking about this thing, I think from past many weeks now, that the price is in a range. It's trading in a very small range, and the range is somewhere around 20,000 and 19,000. So there is a support area which is at 19,000, and we can take a resistance at around 20,000, right? Now again, the same thing happened. Yesterday the price came down little bit down towards the support, but by the end of the day it just vanished all the losses and just closed higher than the opening price. So that was a small kind of candle which is having lower wick. So that signifies we might able to see much more upside momentum, and that exactly is happening today. Now if you look at the today's high price, which is at 19,947, very near to 20,000 level, and now since the price is already reaching at the resistance, we will able to see that the price will somewhere around closes there only, because the from the support area the price is now reaching towards the resistance, right? And so this is how you can look at here. And now since the price is again moving to the resistance, let's see the closing, and then we will decide that what's gonna happen in the next time, right? So this is exactly fulfilling the criteria of the price action of the support and resistance levels, and exactly the movement, the trading you can do in this way. Now if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is also performing well if you talk about the price action strategy. So this is the momentum, and here we have taken 1215 as the support area, and for 1418 as the resistance area. Now look at today's candle, there is a good upside momentum, and yesterday the price again tested the support area, but again all the losses, it was vanished, and now the price has started moving towards the upside. So now we may see that the price will reach up to the resistance from here, which is at 1418, right? So 1418 level could be seen as the resistance for the Ethereum. So again this is the same situation which is happening with the Bitcoin cryptocurrencies right now, that the price is in a range, and once the price reaches to support, reach again, it starts moving towards the resistance, and vice versa. So this is happening here. Once we will see a breakout to either of the side, either to the resistance or the support area, then we will be able to get more clarity. We will be able to see more momentum and price action coming towards these cryptocurrencies. So for that we'll have to wait, I think, for some more time, because the price is in a very comfortable zone, and it's just trading in that area. So now we can expect these two things for the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I hope it is it is useful to you people. So if it is useful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. I'll meet you on Monday now, and be then happy weekend, and be safe in the market. Thank you so much for watching me.